Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a really exciting lash video. So I'm going to be doing my lashes with Urban Dolls, and I want to take this moment to say thank you for sponsoring today's video. So if you guys want to see how I apply these, keep on watching. So first I'm going to show you guys that we get in the starter kit. Comes with 2 pairs of lashes, lash remover, you get a bond, an applicator, sealant. So what I first like to do is I like to lay out all of my lashes from here, and I'll put them out individually just so it saves me some time before the glue dries down. Okay, so first I'm going to curl my natural lashes. I just feel like this just makes everything so much easier and faster to apply because my lashes just go straight out. And then you're gonna take your bond. Literally looks just like a mascara wand. Super thin. And this is glue, so you do wanna work pretty fast with this. And what's nice about this glue is that it doesn't get too tacky where you can't move the lashes, because sometimes you put a lash on, it just adheres right away. And this one you get a little bit of time to play with it before you put the sealant on. So I'm gonna go right in my inner corner, like that. I almost like to do an overlapping so you don't see the band. And then you really just like place it right underneath, like that. It's so quick. There's some glue down here. So then you're going to take your applicator and squeeze your real and fake lashes together. You're going to want to make sure there's no glue on them. Here's the one side. You can see the style really just makes my eyes look a lot bigger, a lot more open and lifted. And so now you want to take the sealant. This is what's going to really lock everything in and make sure it's waterproof and it lasts up to 2 weeks. Same idea, it's like a little mascara wand, and you want to put them right underneath each other. Just like that. Okay, so now I'm going to do this side. Now I'm going to take the sealant, I like to brush them out. And ta-da! This is how they look like. I think they are so pretty. I actually love how much volume they give. And this is one of their natural styles. So what's nice is that I can just go about my day. I can wash my face regularly, I can shower regularly, I can swim. Durability. These, I'm like literally like tugging on my lashes. Are on there. I wanted to remove the lashes. It's super easy. It's been a few days since I've had them on. I did have 1 or 2 that fell out in this inner corner here, but I just put the glue back on and it just went right back on. But removal is so easy. So I'm gonna put this on a little Q-tip. And then I'm gonna just kind of like put this like on the base of the lash, like so, and underneath to like really get that glue. And they should be just, yeah, look, they're just coming off. Maybe easier with your fingers. Oh, almost came off as a whole lash. But I have there's like no damage to your real lashes. You're gonna have some like glue residue on your lashes. And then you're gonna take that remover and run across, and it'll just kind of come off. This will be easier like when I'm actually washing my face. You could also like get a cotton pad and hold it on your eye, and it'll come off that way as well. So from here, you can reuse these lashes again. So I'm gonna put them back in the box and put a little bit of alcohol on the ends just to take off any of the glue. And then I'm ready for another set. All right, well, thanks so much for liking this video. All the products will be listed in the description box, so you can make sure to check out Urban Dolls. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.